Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to reset engine adaptive values and I'm going to use this scan tool for doing this. Today I have this key optima for resetting engine adaptive values. The procedure is the same for all Hyundai and Kia vehicles. Also the procedure is mostly the same on other brands as well. So I have my ignition switch on. I go for diagnosis, Kia General. I need to wait for the scan tool to detect the car. As we see, Kia General, Kia Optima TF 2014. So I go for OK. And I have the system selection here. I go for engine. So OK. Wait for the scan tool to connect. And then you have a couple of options here. So what we need to go for special function. So inside the special function, you have some options. Resetting adaptive values is what we are looking for. So, and the reason that we need to perform this reset is because after replacing some sensors or some components on engine control systems, we need to reset the adaptive values to erase that values inside the PCM, because PCM tends to memorize the values of multiple sensors that can affect the engine operation and more importantly air fuel ratio. As you see here, after replacing O2 sensor, rail pressure sensor, mass airflow sensor, catalytic particulate filter if engine is diesel, differential pressure sensor, and basically after replacing these sensors that can affect engine fuel consumption, we need to perform resetting adaptive values. And for performing, after finding this one, we need to press OK. Ignition on, engine off. Again, press OK. Do you want to continue? Yes. Now in progress. It has been completed. Press OK. And this was how we can perform resetting adaptive values on this car.